Hi, this is Everton Blender, and you're listening to the Young Police Channel. Lift up your head and hold it up, how. We know that we'll win the prize. Everton Blender says so.
Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. So this is part 2 of the 4-part series of the absence of the the PMP criminal organization officials, including the British-born PMP criminal organization opposition leader. Yes, and it's because them licky, that's why them have a foreigners there. You understand? That for go to show you, say, these people don't care about Jamaica, them don't love Jamaica. Because if them love Jamaica, they would have done due diligence for, you understand? But because the man talk like him a Jamaican, and they don't understand how when people are trained for a certain role or them operate, them going to mimic everything that you have done and show themselves as you. If it was a Jamaican in a Britain the other way around, he may have to produce a British birth certificate. You understand? But in a Jamaica, no. Everybody is afraid of this white man. I don't know why. Because Mark Golden is not a Jamaican by birth or any of his parents have any Jamaican connection. Don't listen to Queen Africa. She a dummy, mad girl. So this is part 2 of the 4-part series. So you watch, you listen, and you decide as we continue the conversation.
You understand me? Immigration and everything.
Yeah.
So me I say, alright. We reach one part in a Newcastle now. Out from the mall, me I tell you, a train station, me I walk going to blow.
Police.
Police stop me, say pull up for me. Arrest me. And charge me for your charge name, afraid. You fight in a public space, and me I say, yo, if them the charge you come to Jamaica, amount of man going to prison to blow it. Only day you know come here, send a charge at you can't fight in a public space and
it can't disorderly conduct. But look here, you have to, and remember say Jamaica is a criminal's paradise, so remember say in a Jamaica, victims not right, the perpetrator, so if you notice everything, all people kill all people, they must say, alright man, don't mind man, give him a chance. If you kill somebody, so you understand, that's so them have way.
That's a 2 man. I will leave a point, man. I will leave a reasoning because that's why I will go to in any one at a time to any reason, So we are show you, sir, brother. And that are the racism with the face this up. And when we got a station now, in a Newcastle station to blow out.
Just start explaining it more.
One of them come up back on my back. In I cell and grab me and give me the whole day. You know the police hold them when they hold the soldier. From back way there and squeeze out your life. Me not do man no, brother. The man just brought me up. And I squeeze out my life, And I said, nigga, go back. And I whisper, nigga, go back to your country, nigga. Me I say, where them Yo, sir, God, show me not soft, them thing there. I joke, me laugh back on them thing, because me not soft, man, and I like say, when after I do that, me a ball and I cry and something like that, man, me a carry it from me a youth, me is a man. Me step out in a scout. And my mother never even know, say, me a left from Chisholm Avenue, go Linders Road every blasted day. Every Friday and Wednesday, go to Linders Road, right beside a big church like corner. They say, you know it?
Yeah, man.
I feel here, man. Yeah, man. Me a left school. I got there so from me a youth. My mother don't know so me go join scout. And then time they are a 3 grade me, then time me a 9. I take bus from Walter, but I'm a little 15 bus, them little bus them and
go
around the
transit bus them.
I feel your place, man.
Yeah,
I feel your place, you know where me at about.
Yeah, man, the transit bus them.
We not soft. We not soft in our world, brother. So life where man live out a world and still can hold back a firm and know say, me never thief nothing for nobody, brother.
I
can really swear that, brother. So me never go out there and thief nothing for nobody, kill nobody, cover nobody for them house car, nothing, brother.
Yeah.
And the sufferation when man go through.
And
I'm still come back to Jamaica here, so. And still go through sufferation and they are motivate my mind. See me and me never go through that thinking there right now. I one of the most elite security firm me are working in Jamaica now, over 10 years, almost 10 years.
Nobody talk about that. So what to you know when the police hold on upon your back way in Newcastle?
Then yeah man, them hold me for a while, man, until him parry them kinda hear the scuffling, walk on and come around and
pull him up.
Free me up away. Yeah, free me up. And that was it. Me spend the night at a lock up there and immigration coming in the morning and move me. Carry me go way back now at Doncaster one place there so with them are all immigrants. Then they move me from there so carry me go our whole in area where they near to Heathrow, Gatwick Airport, right next door.
So before you're gonna further up, so I'm to the white girl you did live with. She not come look for you.
Alright, you know that's why I like reason with you, cause you love information, you know. And you know make the man them leave without telling the whole of the information. You think you're an idiot. Here I go on now. Yeah. You see that white girl there? Me rate her. You know I me rate that white girl there?
Yeah.
When me bought that white girl, she about 18 and me what? Me about 20, 23, 24. 23. Oh. When time police lock me up and start move me around to detention center, me not like the girl come and all like detention center them. She come at both of them. The two when they move, when they carry me go, she come there. And when they carry me come here, she come at Jamaica. Yes, man.
So what? So you never get married. So you never get married for she bring you back.
You know, say Porter, me tell you, say you coming like a man who want to write some serious, you know, brother. You love information, so. Yeah, man. She come, man, and we get married, man, and she there for about a year, you know, but you know how the things set already. Them have to make back a move and fly out. You know what I mean? But me say, me no regret. Even though the marriage never lasts no long time, cause she go back home and, you know, family go convince her, cause she young, you know. And I throughout that love makes she fly come here, you know.
So what? So she never, so she not a youth for you?
Yeah, man, you know, so when she go back, she get a pregnancy, brother. Yeah, man, right now, me I tell her, say, the reasoning, when me I hear a reason, this a reason here, if you want a book when me want to write, you know, brother.
So what? So she have a youth for you?
Yeah, man.
So
she have a youth for me.
So what the youth them that England?
Yeah, it's a girl, you know. Yeah, man, she there England, man. She's about 16 years now.
So you talk to her sometime, though?
Yeah, man. Relationship with them, man.
So you're the mother divorced or still married?
You know, so we did split up, though. Because you as me say, they move on, you know, brother.
Yeah, but she divorced you?
Yeah, man. Everything, man. We both divorced. And she divorced. We both divorced.
No, me not talk legally. Legally,
man. Legally. So right now, anyone have support of English or British fans or whatever American fans them can come and link me, man. Me single, man, and free, man. Ready for married again. So
you have two. So your daughter with England, you talk to her all the time, you say?
And that, yeah, man, and that me ask me, I say, yeah, man, relationship keep, man.
So on to the so two you have England.
Me tell you say you a man know what, so me know you're good police. Yes, my big daughter was she 21 December come here.
So you talk to
she, me? Yes, man. Facebook, you WhatsApp, video call, all of them something, man. Yeah, so
I like to talk with them, man. So look here, let me ask you now. So, your daughter, we are 21. She you white too?
A white woman pick me, man. A white woman pick me, you know. So you don't know them are gonna have that mixed race thing there.
Yeah, man. So let me ask you now. In England, can she file for you?
All right. She reached the age, you know.
What she can file for you?
She reached the age, you know. Well, I know she reached the age, you know. Cause them past adult. But you know what I pray? Oh, me and you as a Jamaican growing up our society, our mind develop long time. And you me here say the other day, you know. I think me here say it long the other day, you know. We know how to take on the world already, brother. It coming like we're born and growing in some society like England, them so spoon fed. If them to take on things like how we take on, like how we know to take on, it come like it's a uphill climb for them more time, brother.
Yeah, them can't deal with struggles.
Yeah, deal with the struggle. And she young, so I really want to put that on her. You understand me, I say, brother?
Yeah, but you can't ask her. So you can't ask her on them thing that makes you know say you want to come spend some time with them.
Yeah, man, the reason about that, you know, brother. All right, you know, say me do want to, me do want to go in that direction, you know. But it's about that direction, yeah. But as me I show you, say, you know, me not really England minded no more, brother. When me did just forward back, me did England minded, but when me think back at the things that me been through over there,
yeah,
and how it is now today, me not really fight to go back there. No. Yes, me have my children there, more have to see them.
Yes.
And if me could have go tomorrow, me do it.
Yeah.
But brother, I'm not gonna take up too much hassle, brother. I'm telling you, it's
so
England right now, it come like a heaven. See a man figure England, it come like a heaven in my try figure.
Oh, well, that is true. Toward this, and you saw your life funny. Now I tell you this now. And you know which gang from Jamaica contribute to that? Why you need visa for go England?
I wish gang they show up pass them and all of them.
No man, I not show up pass man. Show up pass them and
no, show up pass them. They are
British link up crew man.
Well, British link up, yeah man. The British team, no, I follow them man.
All right, sir. You understand what I'm saying? And them cause it.
All right.
And the people that me know them before them got England, you know.
Yeah man, me always hear your reason about it when I talk real, man.
I want to with me on them thing that if me know you on them thing, then me not gonna deny you on them thing. So at them the whole and he must probably got this tattoo, you know. And the whole of them are PMP on them thing there. The PMP mindset where them believe in a terrorism on them thing. Me not support them thing there, you know.
True man, you can't support that,
man.
No, man.
You understand what I'm saying? No. Them kill all them best friend and all them thing there. So I feel best friend kill him and one, you know, brother when he Cool Breeze, you know. I feel them best.
Yeah, me and you talk about it on the program the other day.
You hear me talk to the man. You know, me talk to the man where responsible for killing him. Kill rifle and one of the
you know, run an interview, you know.
Yeah, man. Him can't answer none of the question that me ask him.
Mr. Brother, all people living in so much denial.
No, because you have to understand that so it goes a criminal, you have to learn to ignore your mind, ignore your conscience.
Brother, criminal walk free and all them things the other day. Well, and the world sit and know and just laugh or them. I don't know what them different party or them.
Yeah, man, them party. Hey, look here, Jamaica is the best place here. Go. All right, look. If you notice, you notice how much people. Well, maybe Jamaican did I say them white, but Hispanic people are not white people, you know, like the Cuban people. Them are black people, you know, but they would portray themselves as white. They are not white. It's like all the woman named Caroline Gomes. She not white. That's the last name and them thing there. So that's why Spanish people then change them last name to English name, cause they want to say them white. Cause being white, you know, mean to say boy, they want to say them superior and them are top tier terrorists. Cause remember said them are white people, you know. White people terrorize the world, you know. The English people, them, you know. And you understand, and the other one.
Yeah, man, I've been terrorist, man.
The original terrorist, man, who you think are original terrorists on earth? I don't know. Black people are most peaceful. Black people are most peaceful. We're hungry people who forgive people for everything when they're doing, except we forgive each other.
Yeah, man, I really can't make we not forget each other, man. We kill each other and fight. Look at the state of our country. I mean, I don't know what to change it. And that's why I call you this, man. This day, I accept it, you.
Oh, we are
going to set you there. There is nothing to stop this thing.
Well, the only thing can stop it is education and them thing. I would say a woman named Fayeval Williams, she introduced Marcus Garvey in high school. But guess what? You're not going to hear it. You're not going to hear it in the media in Jamaica because guess what? Marcus Garvey, because guess what? Jamaica Labour Party introduced it in the school thing. And Marcus Garvey, most Jamaicans know say Michael Mann, the father, did send Marcus Garvey to prison for 6 months. Same like how you say experience racism, Marcus Garvey experienced the same thing in a KSAC. You understand? With him and Norman Manley in an argument, and Norman Manley call him nigger.
That's when I time me a cuss, you know. When I time me used to cuss and like me I say, oh, when them are blasted, British and them fly go anywhere without all visa.
True.
And stay in your country and you can't go for them country. And so me used to pray them, you know. But me just slow them alone, brother. Me just say, yeah, hear me. Me can't do nothing about it, brother. So me just have to day in my little circle as a cuss about it every day and a cuss about this.
Alright. Let me tell you this. Let me ask you this. Which government you think did sign the agreement with England make Jamaica need visa for Britain? Which government?
No PMP, man.
Okay. Pete, the same black man. And guess what? And him win again. Okay, that for sure. Alright, then why you think the PMP have them like that? Because them know say them are all dummies. So them see man sell them out, and them see man ride with them. And look now, you have a white man who born in England, no born in Jamaica. Him have no ties to Jamaica apart from the woman who him hold on and take it. The woman who married because she was under 16. And them see him on a ride with them, and them will kill for him, the white man when I care nothing about them. The man that even a care of Jamaica. Everything when him have that England. And him say him go renounce his citizenship. And you notice everything is like a 9-day wonder. You know nobody talk about it again. You know it is very, very vital for the people them. We don't want the white people to in charge of our country. Him why Jamaica become a republic. If Jamaica become a republic, no one them thing there. Then Britain can impose them willpower and tell we say boy you need visa for come on them thing. Everything now have to negotiate it through the government. You understand? The only reason why remember you say the government to the Jamaican government, the reason why Jamaica not get the waiver that them can't travel to Canada and all them places is because of the violence. And now, guess what? The people them are in. You know, say you have a big bus right now Canada the other day with someone from out of East Kingston. PMP. Man, get deported from England and end up at Canada and them thing there. But you know, see tonight people in Jamaica. You know hear about it?
No, sir, you never hear about that one.
Them not going to make you know that and them thing there. I saw them stay. Anything was to keep you ignorant and them thing them hide it from you. Your biggest enemy is Jamaica, you know. At the media house, you know. Most Jamaican youths don't even know say Dr. Trevor Manuel, you know, is one of the debt merchants of Jamaica, you know. Satan, them man, you know. Them man help destroy Jamaica, you know. Issue how much guns to all family people in my family for kill all Jamaican, you know, out of East Kingston, you know. And all over, you know.
Wicked man, them brother.
Because you never know that. Say him the man they are PMP, you know. And then branch off and become double PG, you know. PMP is a...
You know, so me not tell no lie, you know. You see that man, them name you mention. Me no familiar with him, you know. And where him do?
Oh, Dr. Trevor Manuel? He was the founder of one party named Double PJ, which is a communist party. Where them did align with Cuba, and Russia. And them issue yes, cause you see him them call National Integrity Action. Them the man is supposed to be banished from society. Him should have a prison. Them man they are Satan. Thousands of Jamaican lives them man they be responsible for. But yet still the media now go tell you that. Them put him up there and have him and interview him and all them things. all of the media houses Jamaica, you know, enemy of poor people, you know. CVM, TVJ. I want to tell you, so the on the station of Jamaica, and of all our stations, the on the station that mean Jamaican people any good, are the one in them nationwide. All of the other one them want to destroy the people them. Because they want to take away all of the suffering away people them are suffer and make them take it out from each other and them not educate them and tell them the truth. To make them know that education is the way and how you behave as a socially responsible person. And them promote the anti-social behavior. You understand?
Real talk, yeah, make more time. Me hear you, man, and look out on them and me and say, why? One time they have it twisted. They think that Eddie was the antagonist back in them time there and start the whole.
Because that is what them propagate. As a propaganda is work. Alright, it's just
so, sure. Alright, you know why? I was saying that me da watch some documentary on the CIA and them infiltration in other countries.
Yes.
And how them turn the rebels are with a call, you know, the opposition against the one in a power now and just overthrow them. And then they mention something about the 1980s time with JLP and PNP.
Oh no, 80s. It's 70s.
Yeah, but who was the man that went to the CIA? It was Edward Seago.
Yes.
Yeah.
Him then I forgot to them on them thing there. Alright, may I tell you something now between me and you? And more you listen to me now. Me know say at first you got hear this. You ever hear look, you're not gonna hear this. I'm not in media also in Jamaica, you know. I remember this name. You have a man named Spy Robinson. What me say man name?
Spy Robinson. I don't hear him. How you come from?
Just listen, man. He's a Jamaican. That time in 1976. This man was supposed to kill Edward Seaga in a sentence. In 1976, you know, I saw we get the state of emergency and Michael Mann lock up. Alright. You didn't most people you didn't know Bob Marley I first celebrity for enders and the politician in Jamaica, Michael Manley, you know. In a 72 now. Bob Marley why him win, you know, why him beat Shearer, you know. Because because Bob Marley a PNP, you know. He was PNP then. So him endorse Michael Manley. In 1976 now, Spy Robinson did supposed to kill Edward Seaga. Guess what now? Seaga spot the man in the crowd I meeting. Cause them time you know, the police, just like now, or you see the police was in a Jamaica is an arm of PNP criminal organization. Majority of police in Jamaica are thief, you know, and criminal, you know. Cause them are PNP. May I tell you that. Me not ask you. You can't some of them you can't trust them. Cause most of them are criminal. You understand? You tell them something, them just no, listen to me I say, just like how I mean, also enough people not even know this, you know, say Blackman, you know, Andre Blackman, you know, a prison and them thing there. Enough people know say Andre Blackman was a Rasta man, you know, was a dread, you know.
You mentioned that already, you know.
Enough people don't know that. When him kill Douglas Chairman, I dread him over and I trim. You understand? And enough people don't know why Blackman and Vibes Cartel want to kill Popcorn. But me tell you no one day. So anyway, as me tell you about
huh? But that just did have in terms of Popcorn catch him a grind.
No. Popcorn, I think a lizard catch Vibe. The reason why Vibes Cartel and Blackman want to kill Popcorn, them say my informer. I'm soon tell you. You hear me tell about Andre Blackman. He was a Rasta man, you know, when he killed Douglas Chambers. I trim him, you know. Him father I dread too, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, you understand what I'm saying?
Real thing.
Yeah. So as you know, we move forward and them thing. If we show you how these people, them are epitome of evil, and them not care about black people. So may I show you now how the PNP infiltrate the police force and destroy the people. Them. You can't trust some of them. Same thing with Blackman after the killing of Douglas Chambers. You see him Harry Daly, you know, Harry Bungles, you know. They don't have Harry Bungles and 2 other police have access to the witness statement and the people them have killed Douglas Chambers. And Harrowing the same one leak back the information to the criminal them, make them kill the people them and burn them. You understand? So you have to understand how the police work in sync with the criminal them at Jamaica because of politics. They don't care about the people them. So as
money away, call them brown paper bag people them.
Yeah. So as me telling you about Spy Robinson now. So Spy Robinson was the man who was supposed to kill Edward Siaga or Meeting. Guess what? Yeah. So at the time now, as I tell you now, sir, the police, as usual, because you know, so them licky and them a criminal. The police was with Michael Manley, and I saw him did all create all the home guard and all them thing there. And the military was, because the military is always conservative, you know. They are more disciplined people than like criminality. So the military, they were protecting Edward Siaga. So while Siaga was on stage, Siaga, can I remember say Siaga and idiot and them thing. Siaga spot this man in a crowd and based on the man action whilst him had to give the speech in a sentence. Then tell me a little boy and Jones so me born and growing up. You understand? Yeah. Siaga tell the soldier them say boy, that man check him out. So you see when the soldier them hold on upon him and them rustle him and search him, guess what? Them find a 9mm pistol with the man. Back then in Jamaica, you know, you have gun and all them things there, you know. You have to be is either you're police or somebody in a military intelligence and all of them things there. Or you know, some official. Guess what? No. You see the gun of them hold the man with? The gun belongs to the Jamaican government. Guess who buy the gun? DK Duncan use government money. The gun is not a government gun and this man was not a government employee. So it was going to be a big national scandal. You know what Michael Manley do? I tell you man, you know what Michael Manley do? Michael Manley call a state of emergency and start lock up labor right. Tell him, you know, him and the police them, you know. And start lock up labor right and PMP and all them people. Because he want to make it look like say what he's doing, I protect the country, you know, to lie him alive. And so now him and Bob Marley in a deal and them thing because him start lock up Bob Marley friend them with a Rasta. Because at the time, you know, Marley wasn't a bad man, you know, a Rasta in a bad man them time, you know. A Rasta was a dance them back in the 70s, you know. And then it morphed to Marley and them thing there, through Burry Boy and fed them up. But fed them up and Burry Boy never gone to jail and them thing there. But I had a little soft soup them and them thing there, because them two killers there was Michael man, the main killers. Fed them up and Burry Boy. So after him call the state of emergency, him lock up all of the labor right them and put them at jail, Colonel Charles and all of them. I look at youth them time then and create no man's land when them detain people. Them have them in a open year, you know. Rain come, wet them, sun shine upon them and them thing. In a open in Jamaica, concentration camp. Because them did have one in my community at Jonestown, between Jonestown and Rima. So that's the man where we get the state of emergency. And I saw a PMP, Bob Marley never endorsed Michael Manley for his second term because him tell him friend, you know, Alan skill cool. Because if him talk some things, you know, you go fright, you go eat the PMP, you know. So Bob Marley say, you know, him can't end that. So him reach a point, you know, because see Michael Manley live up the road from him at Hope Road, you know. Him despise Michael Manley. Because I said, this a man, I mean, thinks that this a man a democratic, this a man a autocratic leader. Someone a dictator, I'm a wicked brother this. So him start lick out for Michael Manley privately. And him not deal with him. So him say him not endorse him because him a lock up him friend them and some of him rest of them a peace man, them are not a bad man. So him a say him a violate the people them human rights. So them try to use this brother now when he first one brother named Don try to talk to him. Keeble Mon try to talk to him. Then DK Duncan try to talk to him. And them couldn't get through to Bob Marley for endorse Michael Manley publicly. I saw now Tony Sparling get Tony Welch for kill Bob Marley. So them use Tony Welch. You have a police now named Barrington Hamilton and can't drive, you know. I tell them thing from memory as a little boy and them thing because Jones some about, you know. The biggest informer them in the area I see him criminal, you know, because them both of them do things, you know. So Barrington Hamilton drive the vehicle, Tony Welch there front, You have a brother when he turn a ball from Curry Park to a concrete jungle. Film brother when he Lenky ride, them killing in America. I'll even one night time Lenky ride, you know, after him shoot Bob Marley, you know, I don't want Tivoli him, I don't want Lizard Town him hide, you know. After him shoot Bob Marley, you know. Lenky ride, you know. So, yeah man, may I tell you, Lenky ride. And one brother named Joe Brown. You know what them do after? Them kill Joe Brown and say Joe Brown violate because them fees a Joe Brown, in other words, that close to his system. So them tell lie and kill him. I saw them operate. So that's how we reach a point here and them thing. So during the time now when them talk about in 76, all the PMP win 76 election, all of the people them are working at a polling station where them claims where them say a labor, Michael they pick them, lock them up with the election, you know. So the PMP them could have stuff all like ballot box them and do all kind of shenanigans. And then when they win them release the people them. So that was illegal. So that's how now. That's how the CIA come in place now and say no, that man is a dangerous man. You understand? So that's how the CIA come now and decide to save Jamaica. In case you don't know them thing, you know, if you live in you see most of the people them were in a bus park at Spanish Town, all our youth were what did name when you call them Wayne, them same have a gang name 100 Wayne. Femme family, all of them were in this one them thing, the foreign Soshi, Shaba, Weatherbo, all of them people they come from Jonestown, my community, and guess what? All them go to them and tell them say them feel like they never tell them say them a labor, you know. Them feel like them a labor, so them have to move. And them still move, and you understand. You did have all that dread in time with Mapen. You have a brother who come from Mapen. When me da Mapen and them thing, them see him name Ironfoot. Ironfoot, the man was big PMP, you know. Him and him brother them name Dicky. I see him PMP turn all them man in a labor. Them have to run from Jonestown and them seek refuge at Mapen and then turn labor right. PMP turn them in a labor, you know. You have a next dread in time with Mapen, the name Jimmy, one big belly brother and them thing there. Them man they come from Jonestown. I them run them out and turn them and then go Mapen and turn labor right. So I saw it go on them thing there. So when them tell us Mike Edward say I got a devil now. That's why them not like me and them thing there. Michael Mann sent 2,500 men, young men go to Cuba. Not for learn trade and come back and impart for the trade where them learn. Plumbing, electrical, no. Him send them to learn guerrilla warfare or to kill people and bomb down and you see all and bomb down people house, fire bomb and all them thing there. That's why them come back with all the Molotov cocktail thing, you know, start burn down people house, you know. You see all of them empty building now you see on Spanish Town Road and other part in the Kingston Metropolitan here. I mean them go Cuba, go train and come back and do that. You see the first ship, the first set of M16 come out Jamaica, I Cuba and them, it up on the channel if you listen to one brother when named Piggy Williams, one police in there, the man is more PMP than Michael Mann, you know. And you go and listen to him, you know. He might tell you, you know, say, you know, the ship when come in, Cuba and them come in a Jamaica to give PMP them, you know. I liberate them here and go and thief off some of the gun them are fighting, you know. And him as police, he recover over 50 gun them. But yet still, you know, I say PMP control the port them and all of them things, you know. They liberate, you know. So the Cuban ship that don't appear down at Kingston. And so we have come to the end of part 2 of this 4-part series. I hope you're enjoying it so far. You know, as we tell you at this channel, this is not an entertainment channel. This is all about education, edifying you, for you to think. That's what we're all about. Entertainment channel is 15 minutes and our videos are not 15 minutes. Most of our videos are educational videos. Even if you get a little satire in it and you laugh and everything, it's still, although you laugh, we still give positive things in it. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.